7 men parachuted into Nazi-occupied Czechoslovakia with one mission: kill the most powerful Nazi alive outside of Hitler himself. Reinhard Heydrich was the architect of the Holocaust, the man who designed the machinery of mass murder. Even other Nazis feared him. On May 27, 1942, the paratroopers ambushed his open-top car on a sharp bend in Prague. A grenade, a burst of gunfire. 8 days later, Heydrich was dead. The world celebrated. The resistance had done the impossible. Then the Nazis responded. They burned the village of Lidice to the ground. Every man shot, every woman sent to a concentration camp, every child gassed. An entire village erased from the map because it had a loose connection to the plot. Then they did it again to another village. Over 5,000 people were killed in the reprisals. The paratroopers knew the cost might be catastrophic. They jumped anyway. Was it worth it? Historians still argue today. And there is no clean answer.